Did y'all know Dollar Tree have Philly cheesesteak fries? Well, they don't, but let me show you how. I paid about $15, maybe less, for these ingredients. Here are the seasonings that I used. First, we're going to chop up our block cheese. So I think I just used one of the blocks that I got from this. I used about half a pack of the Kraft American singles. I used both bags of the steakums, and I used both of the fries. And we still had some steakums left over. I was feeding 3 people basically. So yeah. That's how much roughly everything costed. My math ain't the best. So basically we're just oiling our skillet, and we gonna put our seasoning blend in there. It's in the frozen section. We're gonna cook it down. We're gonna season it. And I use the same seasonings as I did for the meat for the seasoning blend. I just didn't add the Winchester sauce. Y'all see it right there in that bottle. But yeah, y'all, I put this on top of fries because I was trying to be sort of healthy, like not really, because how healthy can you be with Philly cheesesteak? But to not have as many carbs, I just didn't add bread. But if you want to stretch it out and have it stick to your bones a little bit more, you can definitely add bread. They have bread for $1.25, and yeah, I was able to make this by the time the fries got done. The meat was done. So it took at least 15 to 20 minutes because I like my French fries golden brown. I'll put them in the air fryer. So now we're just gonna season our meat and we're gonna put our meat in the pan, then we're gonna season it up. They came out as big old slabs. So I was like, I'm gonna just add all my seasonings and stuff. So it was the Winchester sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, whatever that season was from Tabitha Brown, seasoning salt. I didn't use any salt in this because one, it has the seasoning salt, and two, everything was already like prepackaged, and in prepackaged food there's high sodium. So I'm trying to be more mindful, y'all. I really am. So I had an idea while watching the video over and preparing for the voice recording, is that to save money on cheese, they do have $1.25 Velveeta jalapeno sauce packets, and you can add that in there and do maybe one or two of them, depending on, of course, how much um, meat you have, and you can just make it like cheesy like that. Or instead of having like fries, you can add pasta and maybe get 2 of them packs, and that'll probably stretch your food out a lot longer. And then you have cheesy Philly cheesesteak pasta. That sound good. I'm gonna put it on my list so I can make it because yeah. So the meat and the cheese is causing a lot of grease. So try to drain it out or use a paper towel to sop that up. But honestly, taste your food, make sure it's seasoned to your liking, and plate it up. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.